Hi! In front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply Apple layout on this Android smartphone. Firstly, you need to access Play Store and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this app from this developer and open it. Oh, so sorry, misclick. Now wait for the pop-ups to show, and when they do, select Allow and While Using in all of them. Then swipe up, choose Home button and go into Settings. From here you need to select Apps, click on Default Apps, and finally click on Home app. Now click on iOS Launcher to see the app and just got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Vivo. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, choosing Apps, Default Apps, and finally Home app. Now you can click on System Home Screen or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!